Hey guys, what's up? This is Theo here. Welcome back to Free Code Camp. JavaScript Algorithms and Data Structures ES6, Lesson 5, final lesson. We're starting out with ES6, understanding the differences between import and require. So in the past we had to use require to import functions and codes and external files and modules. While handy, this presents a problem. Some files and modules are rather large. We only need certain code functions, right? So ES6 gives us a handy tool known as import. With it we can choose which parts of a module or file load into a given file, saving time and memory. Okay. Just cool. We can use this syntax almost like a destructuring syntax, and we can go ahead and import again from the sort of path to the file. This is going to be a module in our node modules folder, but otherwise, right, it might be like we might want to go up a directory and find it, wherever it is, right? So let's go ahead and reset this code, and basically what we want to do is just import this capitalized string function, and what we can do here is import capitalized string, and again, it's in node modules, so it's going to be string functions, and then we're going to go ahead and run our test suite here. So good to go. Number 2, now we're going to use export to reuse a code block. So what we can do here is lower 2 variables that I want to make available for other files to use, utilizing the first way I demonstrated export the 2 variables. What I'm going to do here is write an export statement that's going to export foo and var, and these will make these available to whichever file consumes these via an import. And let's see. Oh, okay. I think it wants me to import them on the same line. So I was doing it all at once, but you can also do it like this if you'd like. So we can export these. Good to go. All right. Use asterisk to import everything from a file, and then you can say as to basically however you want to call it. So it requires the contents of a file capitalized strings, add the appropriate import. Okay, so what we're going to do is just say, what do we want to do? We're just say import all as capitalized strings, or as string functions from string functions. Up the file, and then let's see, from string functions, what am I missing? And let me see what it wants us to do. As string from capitalized, okay, as string, that's what it wants us to call it. So we're just gonna call it string. Now we're gonna go ahead and run this and import all as string. Oh, once it below the what's it below this, I think. String from capitalized strings. There we go. Cool. And let's create an export fallback with export default. So the following function should be the fallback value for the module. Please add the necessary code to do so. So what we can do here is basically say export default. And let's go ahead and run this. Good to go. And import a default export. So we can go ahead and do is say import for the default export subtract from math functions, and run that. And let's see what's wrong here. Let's go and look this. Subtract. I thought I imported that correctly. Okay. We didn't like not having the semicolon there. Okay. And run that. Good to go. And that's it, guys, for ES6. Next up, we'll be going on to regular expressions challenges. If you guys enjoyed this, if you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. As always, thanks for watching. Take care. Go check out the links to the courses in the description box on React and JavaScript. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.